Welcome to Saturday Morning Makes. This is an open collaboration hosted by Jillian Norwood. Be sure to search this hashtag for lots of crafty inspiration. I'm Emilee, and you found Emilee's Paper Caper, where we're all about scrapping our stash and getting pages done. If you're new here, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button and bell icon now. So for Saturday Morning Makes this week, I'm going to use a page kit that my friend Renee sent me. I'll show you what's in the page kit, and then I also pulled a few other things from my stash to create scrapbook base pages and maybe a couple cards. So Renee sent me this set that I consider a page kit. It's a lot of papers. There's kind of has a bee theme, and she has these bee die cuts. They're so cute. There's 7 of them. There's also some cute yellow buttons and some silver fiber, some cute honeycomb dies, a tag. She wrote a little note on this pocket card, but the other side has honeycomb. There's a few pretty embellishments here, and then a number of paper scraps, some book page, and some more of this cute bee paper, some black, yellow, black, and this is really cute 6x6 paper with flowers on one side and beehives on the other, some more black paper. I think that I can create some base pages with these materials, and I think I will also have enough to make a couple of cards. I pulled, to go with the kit materials, I pulled some things from my stash. A couple of card bases, some pretty doilies, I think there's 4 of them, a sheet of vellum paper, and I've selected some background papers for the base pages. I will do 4 pages that will create two page layouts. So those are the materials I'm working with, and I will get to work and then come back and show you what I made. I had a lot of fun working with these materials. I made 2 cards. I did use my peg letter stamps to say "Be Happy." The vellum is on the background, and then I used some of the papers and one of the bees. I put 3 of the cute embellishments on this card. I've left the inside blank, but I did add some of the honeycomb on the inside. And here's the second card. It's very similar. I have I made 4 pages for 2 2-page spreads. This is the first 2-page layout. I used some of the paper scraps. I used the tag, and I traced another tag, and here in the background is that note card, the back of the note card, and I think it's really cute. I used one of the buttons on this tag and 2 more of the embellishments on that one. Went ahead and put a doily on each page, and there's plenty of room for me to add journaling and photos, and in future Saturday Morning Makes, I'll do a page layout share after I add pictures to this base page layout. And here's the second 2-page spread. For the background on this side, I got out this template, the stencil, and used the fossilized amber distress oxide to put some decoration on the background. I created a border with 3 of the bees and gave them a little trail with some sequins. And then on the right side, I created a border using the buttons, and I punched some of that note card paper to make 3 flowers. And then I've been doing Twinchy Thursdays, and I used 2 Twinchies to help embellish this side of the page. I think it'll be fun to add some summer photos to these pages. Keep on scrapping, and don't forget to search for the hashtag satmornmakes to see what everybody else has been making this week.